tattoos. We won the lottery. Goodbye. We are leaving. No, we're still asleep, so we're not leaving right now. Look at the Bubba. Good morning. It's a sad day today. We are leaving the beach. They're evicting us.
Yes.
So, yeah. We're about to go hit the road. We're going to try to do some more stuff before we actually leave South Carolina. But it's 9:53 right now. Checkout is at 11. So, yeah, we have to start getting stuff going. We're going to try to check out in the next like 10-20 minutes before everybody else starts checking out, because, you know, we want to be ahead of people. Anyways, yeah, let's look at the view one last time before we go. Ah! Look at these people. Bye, people. Bye.
I see the other side.
How do I say goodbye to yesterday? Can't just leave. Me and the wife got tatted. Now we're together forever. Okay. What was your name?
Maybe not.
Juan.
Juan did our tattoos.
She said Juan.
Juanito. So that's what we're.
Rich homie Juan.
Which one we call?
Okay, probably not him. He's trash.
Yeah, he is trash.
Find a different one. We'll get back to this.
Don Juan.
Don Juan.
Hey, okay, yeah.
There we go. I don't know where they actually went though.
They don't care about
They got hot dogs.
Roses go.
Did he say next door?
I don't know, but didn't you want to get like froyo or something like that?
Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Good weekend.
You too. This is my tattoo. Fancy. I'm just a ow. All right. So they are open. Let's go in here.
Didn't want to have a light.
Hand tattoos. Tattoos. Oh, servant hand. 7 looks. 7 Rihanna-esque, Indian-esque. Why are we going this way? Oh, froyo. So we're walking to go get some froyo. We were in the froyo place, but then Brian and I were eating. Hey guys, so quick update. We went to go get froyo. My camera died before we went. Y'all see my tattoo? It's dry now, so that's the thing. Hey. And now we're on the road. It's raining, I know.
Sunny in South Carolina.
But guess what, guys? We won the lottery. For $20, but still, we won the lottery. So yeah, I think this is all we're I'll actually even put in the vlog, because we'll just be driving and then I'll be asleep when I get home because I'm not. And then I'll I'll start editing the videos to put up for this week. Remember, I post every Tuesday and Thursdays, and sometimes on Sunday, which I think I'll be posting this Sunday because I'm gonna break this into 3 videos. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.